Window film is commonly applied by a single person, but having a helper can be a great benefit. This is especially true on windows over 30 inches in width. A second person can be particularly helpful when removing the liner and placing the film on the glass. The larger the window, the more you'll be glad that you have an assistant during these steps. When removing the liner, have your helper hold down the corners of the film when you have separated the liner. They can help keep the film from moving while you pull the backing liner off and spray the film with the solution. When placing the film, have your helper grab one corner of the film and you grab the other. Place the film on the glass as you normally would, position it, and set it with your squeegee. Then, let your helper stand back and watch you work your magic.